Now, TVJ Sports has confirmed that reigning World Under-20 200-metre bronze medalist Alana Reid is set to become a training partner of a freshly minted 100-metre world champion American Shakira Richardson under the guidance of Dennis Mitchell at the Florida-based Star Athletics Track Club. The move comes just over 4 months after the national Under-20 100-metre record holder signed a multi-year deal with Nike to go professional. At the time of Reid's signing in June, her management team at Octus Global Sports Management, which is jointly run by Sekou Clark and Olympian Dwight Thomas, had revealed that the 18-year-old sprinter would continue training with her high school coach Corey Bennett. However, Bennett on Tuesday confirmed via telephone that he would no longer be guiding the career of Reid, who he coached to the sprint double as Heidel won their first girls' champs title earlier this year. Now, when contacted by telephone on Tuesday, Clark declined to comment on the development.